If you are losing your hair and you have brittle nails, this is what you need. You may be interested to know that adrenal gland problems can affect the health of your hair, nails and even the quality of your sleep. Your adrenal glands are in the upper part of your kidneys and are endocrine glands. These glands are responsible for the release of various hormones, such as steroids and adrenaline. The importance of these hormones is not exaggerated, since they help to regulate your blood pressure, increase your immunity and your metabolism. Your body is better equipped to handle stress with these hormones, so any obstruction to the function of the adrenal glands can lead to a myriad of health problems. You can have your adrenal gland functioning again, with a natural home recipe that involves the use of Brazilian nuts. This is what you need and how this remedy is prepared. Pure natural honey, parsley leaves, dried, ginger, Brazilian nuts, raisins. Preparation: 1. The first thing to do is to incorporate the dried leaves of parsley and the Brazilian nuts in a blender and to mix them. Then add your raisins, ground ginger and pure honey. 2. Mix all the ingredients until a homogeneous mixture is obtained. Administration: consume 2 tablespoons of this natural home remedy to boost the adrenal gland, early in the morning before breakfast, and on an empty stomach. You should take this dose 2 or 3 times in a week. By doing so, you will give your adrenal gland a boost and you will immediately see and feel changes in your body. The quality of your sleep will improve, your hair will look healthy, and that natural shine would be obvious to everyone. Your nails will not be broken with the slightest aggravation. They will be healthy and very strong. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.